Since 1963, CIRAS, or the Center for Industrial Research and Service, has partnered with Iowa companies and communities to help them prosper and grow.
My name is Fred Malven, and I'm a member of the Nevada Volunteer Fire Department in Nevada, Iowa. I'm the founder and president of MalvenWorks, and we manufacture primarily overhaul tools and forcible entry tools. The issue that I ran into was that I've been designing fire service tools since the late 80s. I didn't have any detailed drawings of anything that I'd done, even though it had been in production. CIRAS just popped up like the golden genie and was able to do exactly that and more. You know, if anything, I felt like they had captured the inner soul of the tool, not just the superficial reality of it. The tool is by far the crown jewel of the line of tools that I have. It was a very successful cooperation. For me, it was like walking into a small proprietary shop. I was talking with him about the difficulty I was having getting tools that I had made translated into digital form. I would not have been able to address those in any new, innovative way without CIRAS assistance. That probably set me ahead in terms of production a good 6 months. Any company would be remiss and regret later not having included an inquiry with CIRAS as part of the potential remedy. They're definitely the kind of guide you want when you're trying to navigate the modern industry.
CIRAS uses the Industry 4.0 approach to transform businesses across the state. CIRAS was able to customize and implement a solution in simulation and 3D printing to help MalvenWorks become an industry innovator. To learn about the impact CIRAS can make on your company, contact us today to schedule an assessment with one of our experts.